What do you think this place was for? Ah!
What the hell? Are they asleep?
No. They appear to be well preserved. However, they are all dead.
Dead? So this is a mass grave?
Looks that way. However, none of them appear to be Alganquil.
Bear in mind that Renans were originally Dahnans, who were remade and sent to live on Lenegis. Knowing that, they would have needed a place to perform the procedures somewhere.
And that place is here, I assume.
So what you're saying is that all of these are Dahnan, or rather, Renan bodies?
Most likely, yes. It must have been abandoned for one reason or another.
There are so many of them. They were all taken away, but never given the chance to wake.
What is that thing?
Something we have to fight if we want to get across, it seems.
Be careful! It's huge!
What is with all the huge lumbering beasts lately?
No ordinary zoo. That much is damn sure.
Watch yourselves. All bets are off when it comes to this thing.
I never miss!
Blow away!
Radiant
Block!
Radiant
Blow away!
Radiant rare!
Double
Here's
demon
my
flame!
dance in the wind!
Crush you!
Deathfall! We now back into the fray! Get on in there together! By the power of Radiant Sword! Up and at 'em, let's go!
In a bind? Its head is its weak point? We'll need to bring it down somehow to hit it.
In that case, let's start with the one in the middle.
Holy
Double
Land!
demon fang!
Flame of Fury!
Not today!
Glacial Spear! Pierce evil!
Blow away!
Freeze Lancer!
Raining slash!
Thunder Field!
Blow
Raging
away!
Cascade!
Raining
Weak
slash!
now!
Blow away!
More for the
Raining
flame!
slash!
Reload!
Air pressure!
Steering flame!
Blow away!
Really shit.
Attack time! Photon Raging
Double demon
Cascade!
fang!
Field! Primed and ready! This'll come in handy! I never miss!
They smite with blackened blade.
Thunder Field!
Resonate with the earth.
Hold on to your heart! Here I come!
On blow away!
Flame! Reload!
Raining slash!
Raging
Blow
Flame!
away!
Annihilation!
Nothing gets by me! Denied!
Not today!
Freeze Lancer! Rock up, lad!
Double demon fang!
Here!
I'm ready. Look sharp. Lightning tiger blade.
Raining slash! Blow away!
Take this.
Raining slash! Blow away! Raining slash!
Anything in armor is all mine. Blood. Rending you apart. Bloody
Here's a
holiday.
healing heart! First aid!
Why'd you heal me?
To stop me dying?
Double demon fang!
Glacial
I owe you
Spear!
one.
The enemy is going all out!
Yours to be let free!
Thunder Freeze Lancer! Illuminate the dark!
Double demon fang!
Holy Lance!
Raining slash!
Nothing gets by me!
Annihilation Cascade!
Infernal turret!
Not in your dreams!
Far enough!
Light axe, illuminate the dark! Come forth!
Raining slash! Try harder!
Elusive field!
I'll pile driver.
Gemini Aqua! Magna Ray! Annihilation!
Double demon
Can you
fang!
take it?
Dance in the
Raining
wind!
slash!
Blow away!
Raining slash!
By the power
Blow
of
away! Double demon fang!
Look here!
It's gonna attack!
Right, one down! Come forth! Holy Lance! The marksman
We're not done yet.
handles it.
It's just falling back.
Then it's time for you to do what you do best. Don't give up. I'll bring you back to illuminate the dark.
Ready and raring.
Recite Holy Land.
Armor won't save you! I owe you one.
Resonate with the earth. I'm out of
Ready,
ammo.
rock.
Raging storm.
Ready.
I'm expert. Coming through.
Double demon fang.
Don't mind if I do. The enemy
I don't
is going
feel like
all
my
out.
usual self.
Are you all right? Let me handle this one.
So sorry to disappoint you.
Blah, blah, blah. Magic.
Double demon fang.
Holy Land.
I'll find you with the stuff.
I need to pull myself together.
Ready,
Thank you for the healing, Dahnan.
Combat need our ability.
Not today!
Right. No one is dying on our watch.
Anything in armor is all mine! I'll smash you!
Here,
Nothing gets by me.
I owe you one.
Denied!
Put the mark
Blow away!
light after raging
bring you down.
Can't get out of this! Demon fang! Chill!
This ends now!
Consider yourself finished!
The hell was that thing?
Probably something that was made here and somehow managed to survive, even after all this time. Not that there's any way of knowing now.
What's wrong?
Oh, I just suddenly found myself contemplating what might have happened to the sovereigns that were meant to emerge from the crown contests. What do you mean? You see, the winners of the past crown contests were all strong astral arts practitioners. Furthermore, that enemy we just fought appeared to be composed of several human bodies. It was certainly nothing one would find in nature.
You're saying those were the remains of the winners? That they forgot who they once were?
I'm merely saying it's a possibility.
That's absolutely gruesome. How long had the Helganquil been at this?
It was Rena's great spirit that made them do all of this. Anything to get its astral energy.
We're not gonna jump down, right?
I certainly hope not.
After hearing Dolan's suggestion, I'm honestly not sure what to say. So, looks like the Helganquil have been engineering Zeugles too. Why doesn't that surprise me at this point?
The creatures we've been encountering here have been a little different to what we're used to fighting, but I'm pretty sure they're Zeugles too.
Do you think they were engineered using creatures native to the area?
Indeed. However, based on the current circumstances, I would guess these Zeugles are all that's left of the planet's fauna now.
You mean, there might have been native owl species here once upon a time too?
We're back in that other room? Did the teleporter fail or something?
Something feels off about it.
Look! Everything's upside down!
The furnishings are at least. No, you're right. The whole room's flipped on its head.
So what was once down is now up, and vice versa. I suppose the teleporter reversed our orientation then.
I guess this is the flip side of that pathway we were walking on just a little while ago.
This is crazy. Who knew? Such amazing technology existed.
I've got a really bad feeling about this.
Lunar corruption! By the power of water!
This is gonna need all of us together!
Here! Damn it! I'm almost done!
Aim for their weak spot.
Mega ray!
This one's all mine.
Lightning blast!
Blow away.
Thunderbolt! Illuminate the
They might.
I'm sorry to trouble you.
Blow away.
Anything in armor is all mine!
Raining slash. I can carve through.
Searing flame! Lightning orb! Back at dance in the wind!
They smite with
It's weakened! In here!
This ends now. Double demon fang.
Jedi Aqua!
Execution.
By the power of water!
Double demon fang.
You require a hand.
No further.
All right, it's showtime!
Raining slash.
Searing flame! Reload!
Blow away.
Sky is mine!
Raining slash.
Blow away! I'm almost done! This one's mine!
Stalagmite.
Illuminate the dark!
Bathed
Come
in
forth,
blood.
holy glimmer! Holy light!
Not today.
Annihilation!
Charge like that could easily be fatal.
Just as well, I'm here to stop it! Glacial spear! Pierce evil! This ends now!
Consider yourself finished.
This should make for some good weapon crafting material.
What are those? They look like Shionne's thorns, and with flowers too.
Not real ones, though. They're just like that flower growing out of Rena.
We must be getting close to the Great Spirit now.
Hey, Rinwell, what was that thing you said about how a little bit of Dahna's great spirit is inside all of us?
Right. That's why Dahna's great spirit is so much more diluted. Weak, even. Whether it was a choice so it didn't overpower others, or just the way it is anyone's guess.
If that's true, then wouldn't it mean Dahna's will could never form under natural conditions?
Yeah, sounds like that's probably the case.
So if Dahna exists within all of us, then what if something occurred that brought everyone's hearts and minds together as one? That unity could potentially act as Dahna's will.
You mean if everybody was, like, thinking the exact same thing at the exact same time? Come on, there's no way we could pull that off.
I know it's a long shot, but it might work.
Let's assume that's even possible for a second. Would it even be enough to fight back against Rena's great spirit?
If nothing else, it might be an option if we can't use the Renasalma.
Things are different here than on the...
So here's a question. We came all this way to Rena on the assumption the Renasalma's here, right?
Just don't say it, Law.
Yeah, but I'm just saying...
I said don't.
I can understand why you might be concerned, Law. But you need to remember that there are people it affects more directly than you.
Oh, sorry.
We've managed to make it this far believing. Losing faith now won't do us any good. We're better off focusing our anxiety elsewhere.
Such as?
The Great Spirit. If Hevrect 35's to be believed, our enemy won't just be handing over the Renasalma to us. At least, not without a fight.
Not only that, but that same enemy just gulped down more than an entire world's worth of astral energy.
Point taken. It may be strange to say, but when I'm fighting, or at least know what needs to be done, it helps me a lot. I don't doubt myself as much. So thanks, both of you. The floor's on the ceiling and the ceiling's on the floor. This whole thing's making my head spin. Why would they even do something like this?
The Helganquil can bend life forms to suit their will. Nothing they could do at this point would surprise me.
The ceiling is on the floor. That doesn't weird you out?
What good is a team made up of members who all share the same opinions on everything? And besides, when you get to be at my ripe old age, one begins to consider it quite uncouth to show one's true emotions at times.
Oh, come on, Grandpa. You can't be that old.
The sands of time wait for none of us, lad.
Yeah, we'll see. Though at this rate, I guess I'll have to live long enough to get as old as you first, huh?
You will. And when the time comes, I look forward to hearing you change your tune on the matter.
Bad
Hold
feeling
on to
about
your
this.
art. Here I come! Radiant Pierce! In here! You are I'm out of ammo!
Be careful, everyone. This one isn't normal. Blew away!
Pesky airborne scoundrels!
Sounds like a job for yours truly!
Radiant flash! Double demon fang! Double demon
Leave the
fang!
enemy's arts to me!
Blew away!
No, you're being here.
Is that a healing art?
It is. I can't ignore your pain.
I'll try to be more careful.
Do it!
Double demon
Lock!
fang!
Demons descend!
Flashing fang!
Radiant Pierce!
No further! Blew away! Elusive deity! Rotating pile driver! Raining slash!
Scream.
Blew away!
Here's the evil!
Raining slash!
Freeze Laser! Hard now!
Raining slash!
Dance in the wind!
We did it!
Light! Air thrust! Focus on my watch! Lunar Blast!
Raining slash!
Lunar Blast!
Can you take it?
Blew away! Double demon fang!
Do it!
Rending you apart!
Dance
We
in the
did it!
wind!
As impressive as always.
In here!
Here I hope they
Here's the evil!
No, I mean, you're even better than ever.
I've never seen Shionne actually look flustered.
Raining slash!
This!
Double demon fang!
I'm all stuffed up!
Air pressure!
Hold up. Is this as valuable as I think it is?
Brace yourself! This one's tough! Burn it down! Lionheart! Raining slash! Blew away!
Being
It's a
interrupted.
duel of the arts!
No further! Thanks!
Healing circle!
Flying free!
I'm in your
What
debt.
did they just instill?
Shionne, can you take care of them?
No sooner said than done!
Those are impressive skills.
They took a lifetime to
I
master.
never miss!
The enemy wields arts too.
You'll soon see about that! Air thrust! Arts require complete focus!
Too much!
Here's a healing arc!
Raining slash!
of your power.
Blew
Not
away!
on my watch!
Allow me to help.
Raining slash! Blew away!
Shield.
Coming through! Ha! Melt! Scarlet Inferno! Damn it! Burn!
Thanks for the healing.
Watch yourself, okay?
Yeah, you too.
I'm out of ammo! Annihilation! Mega Ray! Annihilation! Radiant Pierce! Thunder Shield! Sighted! Go!
Double demon fang! Raining slash! Blew away!
Easter!
Blew away!
Where are you going?
Raining slash!
Take! Not much longer to go.
Come on, one final push.
Let's do this together. This one's got your name on it!
Action to action.
A merry distraction.
There's still more to go.
Can't get out of this.
Can't be
Raining
slow.
slash!
Here goes!
Blew away!
Here goes!
Swallow blade! Demon! I'm ready!
Beyond! Astral energy! Full throttle! Go!
Those astral arts of yours are pretty impressive.
Thanks. You're
That equipment should come in handy.
Not today!
I'm also good with airborne targets.
Thanks! We got flyers!
I've got this! Let a marksman
Come
handle it!
one, come all! All yours!
Let the marksman handle it! That'll bring you down! Far enough!
Air pressure!
Raging technique! Downfall!
Blow away!
I'm all
Raining slash! Blow away!
Annihilation! I'll be saving this way!
Raining slash!
Double
Demon Fang! This one's all
Not much
mine!
longer to go.
Come on, one final push!
Let's do this together, Alphen. Thorns! I'm all set! Annihilation!
Raining slash!
I'll be saving this
Blow
way!
away!
Burning!
Raining slash! Blow away!
Holy Lantern! One more time! This is it!
I can't lay a finger on you.
I prefer it that way.
What about you?
Just watch and see.
Illuminate astral energy!
Say no more.
Well, am I improving?
Tremendously. The speed and precision of your aim is simply unmatched.
I had no idea you were watching me so closely.
This one will be difficult to predict.
No further. Blow away. Raining slash.
They may look cool and stuff, but they're
away.
vicious. Radiant here. Another
Raining
ammo.
slash. I'll take you all on.
Alright, it's just
Blow away.
here. Let me help.
Raining slash. Double demon fang. An astral arc?
That's my cue.
Does it hurt? This one can shut him down.
Lightning
Benediction light.
Radiant here.
Heal. I owe you one.
Blow
Blow away.
This one's mine. In here.
Raining
Not
slash.
in your dreams. Annihilation.
I'll
Illuminate
smash
the
you.
sun. Lightning. Come far enough. Holy glimmer.
Raining slash. Impressive, Joveline.
Float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. Or so they say.
People say that?
All mine. Heal. You picked the wrong fight. Blow away. Raining slash. Blow away.
Here's a healing art.
Raining slash.
Blow away.
Everlasting power.
Negative gate. Here.
Watch yourself.
Here. Let me
Sense
help.
incredible power.
This one's mine.
Okay, here I come.
Stalagmite.
Light astrolabe. Illuminate the sun.
Ah! Raining slash. Coming through. Ha! Now. Scarlet Inferno. Benediction light. Heal. Blow away.
Raging cascade.
Now you see what I can do.
Burning field.
Raining.
This here's the nothing gets by me. Freeze Lancer.
Ah! Ignite.
Freeze Lancer.
Blow away.
Far enough.
Raining duck.
I'll heal you all. Here goes.
Scream, bathe in blood.
Blow away.
What would I do now? Here.
Raining slash.
Negative
Double demon fang.
Light astrolabe. Power of water. Dance in the wind.
Raining slash.
Take
this. Blow away.
Annihilation. Astral energy.
Say no more. Shot.
Well done.
Take this.
Thunder
Raining slash.
If it's in the sky, it's mine. Come forth.
one's all mine. Not
Here's
today!
a healing art!
I can carve through armor!
First
I
aid!
owe you one.
Radiant Pierce!
Raining
Not
Slash!
ammo!
Blow away!
Supernova! Annihilating Cascade!
Raining Slash! Deity!
Dance in the wind! Air
Tornado
thrust!
Blast!
Light Astral!
Florida!
Heal!
Thank you for the healing, Dahnan.
Our comrades need our abilities to survive.
Right. No one is dying on our watch.
Here go! Into the
Blow
snow!
away! River!
Astral energy!
Say no more!
Am I on a roll or what?
Well, look who's in a bright and shiny mood. The design of this equipment is really interesting.
You must really like it, Alphen.
Brace yourself! This one's
Don't
tough!
mind if I do!
Double Demon Fang!
Take this!
Raining Slash!
Shattering the pieces!
Blow away!
Can't get out of this!
Blow away! Raining Slash! We did it!
As impressive as always.
Here I hope that was improved.
No, I mean, you're even better than ever.
I've never seen Shionne actually look flustered.
Blow away! Blow away! Raining Slash!
Elusive Demon!
Raining Slash! Blow away!
Elusive Demon!
Not today!
Do it! You got company!
Take it!
Lightning healing circle! Thunderblast!
Raining Slash!
Begin!
Double Demon Fang!
I'm in your debt.
End of Gary! Lightning! Downfall!
Robs in pain.
I'm on a roll!
Raining Slash!
Lunar
Your astral arts are truly incredible.
Every little bit helps, right?
Indeed it does. I'll keep pushing to be better as well.
Double Demon Fang!
Don't mind if I do! I'm all stuffed up!
Stalagmite!
If it's in the sky,
away.
it's mine.
Shining Supernova!
Raining Slash!
Reflect on thy sight!
Dance in the wind!
Blow away!
Lightning downfall!
Raining Slash!
Execution!
A fascinating art there.
Care to give it a try?
No. A little unrefined for my taste.
That's how you judge them?
This one's tough, but we have no choice.
Let me know if you need healing.
Raining Slash!
I can shatter any steel!
Raining Slash! Got
Got
fire!
Astral energy!
Say no more! Shot!
More incoming!
More Zuggles?
Keep calm and take them down.
What would I
As
do
impressive as always.
Here I hope that was improved.
No, I mean, you're even better than ever.
I've never seen Shionne actually look flustered.
Leave the enemy's arc to me!
No place here! Bloody holiday! In a bind?
Don't get in my way!
Raining Slash! Blow away!
Gemini
Negative
Alpha!
gate!
Double Demon
Do
Fang!
it! Shionne, astral energy! Full throttle!
A flawless victory.
Naturally.
Stalagmite!
I'll take it from here. Let's see how you handle this! Deus Roar! Reinforcements? Head raging
Where are
cascade!
you going?
Fresh!
Blow away!
Damage to the wind!
Raining
Air
Slash!
thrust! I'm out of ammo! Dreams!
Victory is within reach.
Dig deep and we can do this!
Trust in further, little one.
Here's evil!
No more shall break this
Thunder magic is out!
Double demon fang!
Glacial spear! Pierce evil!
Raining slash!
Freeze lancer!
away!
Illuminate the dark! Come for
Blow
you!
away!
Do it! Seal!
Double demon
Kitara!
fang!
Frozen!
Hammer! More! Double demon! Blow
Not
away!
on my watch!
Captivity!
This one's
Now you
mine!
see what I can do!
Reflect on fury!
More!
Glacial spear!
Raining slash!
Can't get out of this!
Raining slash!
Freeze lancer!
More! Captivity! Ignite!
Now!
away!
By the
Darling!
power of water!
In an instant! Impact block! With more? Elusive deed! Blow away! Double demon fang!
I never miss! Alright! It's go time!
Not today!
Dance in the wind! Air thrust!
Blow away!
Light
Clear!
Now!
Let me free you of your power.
Double demon fang!
Denied! Just wait! Reload! Hear me! Flame of fury! Burning thrust!
Next! More!
Here's evil!
Double demon fang!
Raging cascade! Freeze lancer!
Blow away!
Dance in the wind!
Shattering!
Air thrust!
Defense!
Attack! Not in your dreams! Magic is out!
Blow away!
Thunderblade!
Now you see what I can do!
You get the gist!
Double
Holy
demon fang!
Renan!
It's on! I'm ready! Burn! River!
Astral energy!
Say no more!
That was a little close for comfort.
This one will be difficult to predict.
Searing flame! I'm ready! Deal force! So this one's mine! Dance in the wind! Arrow and beat!
Raining slash!
Thunderblade!
We got flyers!
I've got this! Let a
Come one,
marksman
come
handle
all!
it!
All yours!
Here goes the light!
Coming through! Ha! Mount! Scarlet Inferno!
Hear me! Flame of fury!
Take this!
Burning strike! Glacial
Raining
spear!
slash!
Pierce evil!
Blow away!
Shining supernova!
Blow away!
Dance in the wind!
Not much longer to go!
Come on, one final push!
Do this together! Light astral! Ready and ready! I won't stop you!
Raining slash!
Lightning!
Double demon fang! I'm ready! Blow
Radiant
away!
light! Searing flame!
Stalagmite!
I think I'm getting stronger.
We got some good equipment!
I can't say its appearance is to my tastes, personally.
This'll be a delicious piece of cake!
Burn in hell!
Let the marksman handle this! Here's a healing art! In here! First aid! That'll bring you down! Let's get you all tucked away!
Bloody
Fine freaks!
Where are you
Why can't
going?
they just sit still?
Shionne, can you take care of them?
No sooner said than done! Alright, it's showtime!
Execution! The enemy wields arms too.
We'll soon see about that!
Ignite!
Here's a healing art! Holy land! First aid!
Try harder!
In a bind?
Now!
River!
Astral energy!
Say no more! Got it!
Well done! Here!
Blow away!
Begin!
Blow away!
Tempest!
Radiant slash!
Radiant pierce!
Blow away!
Lightning orb! Out of the
Fist off! Double demon fang!
Bloody I'm ready!
I've used a bit too much healing. The Zoogles here are putting up a real fight.
That just goes to show how important this place is.
Or perhaps they simply thrived free.
The astral energy here is so dense. It's like trying to walk through water.
I know the Great Spirit's will is in the center of Rena, but with the world in this state, the entire planet has become its body, right? So doesn't that mean we're already inside it?
I would say that is horrifyingly correct. After all, the further we climb, the denser the astral energy becomes.
What's the matter, Rinwell? Are you not feeling all right?
No, it's nothing like that. It just feels like the energy here is a little more intense than it was before.
You mean Rena's energy?
Yeah, it's like when I made contact with Dahna's will in the wedge. It's almost as though I can understand what Rena's will is thinking.
But Rena's will is supposed to be a lot stronger. Aren't we risking the Great Spirit controlling us if we interact with it directly?
I don't think we have to worry about that. Rena's will is only supposed to control true Renans, like the Helganquil. If we can discern what the Great Spirit is thinking too, we might learn something, a weakness. But just to be safe, let me contact it alone.
Are you insane? Rinwell, you're gonna...
Rinwell!
There was only meant to be one world. And your goal is to make them one. Is this fear? What just happened?
Are you all right? Rinwell? Rinwell, are you okay?
No, I'm fine. I think.
What were you thinking? You could have gotten yourself killed!
He's right. You had us all terrified, Rinwell.
I'm sorry. I really, really am. But I know now. I know how the Great Spirit thinks. I know what it wants, how it feels. Rena's Great Spirit wants to complete the world.
What's that supposed to mean? Are you saying it's trying to make something?
Yes, exactly. Originally, Dahna and Rena were meant to be one world. But that never happened. They've stayed separated, and the Great Spirit wants to finish the process.
What do you mean, one world? How is that even possible?
I don't know, but its will is clear. That's what the Great Spirit is trying to accomplish. The only problem is that since Rena's energy isn't evenly spread like Dahna's, it seems like it'll vanish before that happens naturally.
So it's trying to absorb Dahna while it still can, so that it can force the two planets to unite. Is that what you're saying?
The Great Spirit is scared. But it's not scared the way a rational person would be. It's more raw and undiluted, like just pure fear.
Like an animal, acting out of instinct. Although admittedly, an animal would be easier to communicate with. At the very least, I have my doubts that it recognizes us as sentient beings with a reason for coming here. Earth, water, fire, and wind energy exist in both worlds, but only darkness and light can be found within Rena and Dahna, respectively. The Renis Alma, as far as we know, the only host capable of harvesting the astral energy, is composed of all six. Knowing all that, Rinwell's findings do sound plausible.
That sounds a lot like Shionne's thorns, doesn't it? The whole reason the Great Spirit is trying to unite Dahna and Rena into one world is in order to save itself. And if her thorns are part of the Great Spirit, then they must also be trying to save themselves?
Alphen, what is it?
We thought the only way to free your thorns was for you to die. Yet despite that, they seem to be doing everything in their power to stop that from happening to you. Something wasn't adding up. But then I just realized something. If the Great Spirit doesn't want to die, then neither would your thorns. Those same emotions, that fear, that determination, and its energy must have been the same thing that was keeping you alive. You were its vessel.
In that case, is that why her thorns caused so much pain to anyone who touched her? Because they were trying to protect themselves?
If that's all true, then... well, it's more than a little ironic.
The Great Spirit merely expresses its desires. I imagine it was the Helganquil who were likely tasked with putting together and implementing an actual plan.
Shionne.
I'm okay. We need to hurry and clean this mess up before it gets out of hand.
Still, even if the current state of the world is wrong like you said, does that really make everything okay?
If the world had been whole from the start, as it should have been, there'd be no Dahna and no Rena, no masters or slaves, no lords, no crown contest, maybe just peace.
To think, all this started because of the Great Spirit's desire to keep living. The only reason it craves energy is because it's dying from starvation. When you think about it like that, maybe the things it's done aren't so strange after all.
If Rena had been more like Dahna, things would have worked out a whole lot better.
It's like Hevrecht 35 told us. The Dahnan and Renan spirits are meant to be completely different beings.
Rena's energy amassing in one place led to its developing a powerful will. But that also made it crave energy. sapping Rena dry until it perished.
Whereas Dahna's energy is dispersed, meaning its will never developed to the same extent. And without that hunger, Dahna the planet was spared.
As for which is correct, well, I'm not sure it's our place to even say. Still, I can't help but think it reminds me a lot of the dichotomy of the human condition.
Dichotomy? What do you mean?
Those who know not satisfaction are driven to keep devouring without limit. But those who are content with their lot in life rarely fulfill their potential. I imagine it's likely that the larger Rena's great spirit grew, the more and more powerful its hunger also became.
Everything in moderation. When all's said and done, maybe that's the hardest thing for people to learn.
This one will be difficult to predict.
You picked the wrong fight! I can carve through all Throw away! Rending you apart!
Do it! Astral energy!
Say no more! Shut!
Well done! I'm ready!
Rending you apart!
Where are you going?
Resonate with the
Not on my watch! Do it! Jolene!
Light burst forth!
Radiant citizen! Searing flame!
It's on!
Tempest world! Am I on a roll or what?
Well, look who's in a bright and shiny mood.
Exploit the enemy's weakness.
Got it! Now's our chance!
Why'd you heal me?
To stop him dying?
Right.
Anything in armor is all mine!
Holy land!
Raining slaughter!
One more time!
Dent on the wind! Blow away! Raining slaughter!
Raging
Blow
war!
away! Bloody
Here goes!
Raining on your knees! I have no limits! It's on! Air pressure! Blow away!
Lightning condemned!
Raining slash!
Thunder
Blow away!
Illuminate
Double
the
demon
expert
fang!
coming through!
Raining slash! Blow away! Double demon fang! Swallow blade!
Illuminate the
Double
dark!
demon fang! They smite with blood! Infernal turret!
Leave the enemy's
Not
arc to
today.
me! I'm out of ammo!
No complaints here! Resonate with the arc! Blow away! Can't get out of this! Anything in armor is all mine!
Where are you going? Now! Frozen!
Hammer!
I wonder if we can make new weapons with this.
Wherever we go on this planet, there are machines littered everywhere.
It's impressive to look at as a bystander. But I sure wouldn't want to live here with all of this around.
I know what you mean. There are no fish here. I couldn't cook any of my delicious dinners for you all if we lived here.
An opponent like this should be easy.
Not in your dreams.
Now you see what I can do!
Denied!
No dawn shall break this mountain.
Begin! Burn! Tempest! Blow away! Raining strike! Blow away! Raining strike!
The fluidity of the movement is simply incredible.
Blow away! Raining strike! Blow away! Blow away!
Benediction
Shining
light.
supernova! I can't hold on much longer! Seal!
Blow away!
Here's a healing
Double demon fang!
Charge like that could easily be fatal.
Just as well, I'm here to stop.
nice!
I can handle it.
No further!
Come forth! Holy glimmer! Free! Holy red!
Nothing will hold us back.
Here
On your
goes!
knees. I owe you one.
Confiscated! Raging
This one's
cascade!
all mine!
Thanks for the healing. Watch yourself, okay?
Yeah, you do.
Blow away! Raining
Lunar
strike!
corruption!
Blow away!
Lunar blast! Lightning condensed!
Where are you going?
Thunderbolt!
deity!
Illuminate the dark!
Taking pile driver!
Glacial spear.
Pierce
Demon
evil!
fang!
Freeze lancer! Here comes! Raging cascade! Seal! Now! Don't leave me!
Light burst forth!
Radiant genesis!
Remember to tell me if you need healing.
I expect you'll be in high demand if that's the case.
Discourteous.
Double demon fang! Heal!
Sorry, heal!
Right this!
Anything in armor is all
Illuminate
mine!
the dark! Come forth! Holy club! It'll body slam us into next week!
Heal! Blow away! Raining strike!
Oh, violent
Blow
giant
away!
wind!
No
Here
art is
goes!
being interrupted.
Not on my watch! Reload!
Blow away! Huh? You picked the wrong fight!
Champion swirl!
Okay, here I go!
Close flight!
On your
I can handle it! Annihilation!
Blow away!
Champion
Raining
swirl!
strike!
Annihilation!
Blow away!
Take this!
Metal ray!
Raining slap!
Gemini aqua! I'm ready!
Denied! Try harder!
Champion swirl!
That'll bring you down.
Glacial spear!
Raining
Pierce
down!
evil! Freeze
I
lancer!
have no limits! Raining slap! Blow away!
Ready to swing!
I'll grind you into dust! Coming through! Ha! Now! Scarlet Inferno!
Here's a healing arc!
Ha! Ignite!
First aid! I can't hold on much
here I
longer!
go.
Piercing orb! One more!
I can carve through war!
Illuminate the dark! Come forth! Holy,
Begin!
holy
Try
red!
harder!
Annihilation!
grind you!
First require complete focus!
Raining slap!
Glacial spear!
Blow away!
Pierce evil! Freeze lancer! Raging cat! Arc sealed! Don't mind if I do!
Try harder!
Here I go! Got you! Mega ray!
Captivity!
Champion swirl!
Raining slap!
Piercing knife!
Take
Freeze lancer! Raging
Can't
sword!
get out of this!
Raining slash! Blow away!
Annihilation!
Raining slap!
Burning fury! Burning strike! Light axe raging cascade!
I have no limits!
In here!
Blow the flame inside me! Sure! Easy, let's free!
Allow me to help you.
Double demon fang!
All disasters made one! Come forth and
I'm ready.
Shionne! Astral energy! Full throttle! A flawless victory! Naturally!
Begin! You picked the radiant flame! Coming through! Ha! Now! Scarlet Inferno! Benediction light.
I never miss!
Okay, here I go.
Take it!
Armor won't save you!
Go! More with that! They're not playing around!
Raining slap!
Sealed! Far enough! Let's get you all poked away!
Seismic rupture! Raining slap!
Raging storm! Alright, here goes!
Blow
Don't
away!
mind if I do! Gemini Hawk! Forward flat! Will this help? Dance in the wind! Air
Blow
drop!
away! Eat dirt!
Healing circle!
Sorry to trouble you.
You do the same
Blow
thing!
away! Raining slap! Take this!
Damn it! Out of ammo! Healing
Raining
circle!
slap!
Thanks so much!
Blow away!
Chinese supernova! Raging cascade!
Begin!
Seal!
Blow away!
Get out of there with the
Eat
others! Mega ray!
Double demon fang!
Now!
Light burst forth!
Radiant citizen! Another one down!
Your skills are admirable.
I've got a really bad feeling about this.
We've turned the tables on him.
There are still more left.
Right, no time to hold back.
You're really, really strong, Alphen.
I'm just trying to do the best I can.
Still, it's reassuring to have you around. Do it!
Light burst forth!
Radiant citizen! You don't mess around.
On your
Certainly not. Raging cascade by the power of war.
Now we're ready.
Do it! More for the burning strike! With this, I can become even stronger.